My dog almost came in. She's like sneaking her nose in. I'll be back. Hi, I'm Benasir and you're watching Customized Close-Up. This season, FabFitFun is social distancing, so I'm filming this from home, but don't worry, we got you with all the details about your options for the summer box. All members get to choose their favorite from these options, but select members get to choose first. So if you're not a select member, make sure you sign up right now. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe to FabFitFun's YouTube channel, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a spoiler. Let's get started with the Michael Kors Bedford Travel Passport Wallet. This is such a great way to stay organized. I just think it's so wild that you can get a Michael Kors wallet in your FabFitFun box. And the signature print just makes it super easy to find in your carry-on. You know, when you go through TSA and you need your boarding pass, your passport, your ID, you have it all in one place. It's so easy to clean. You just get a damp cloth, you wipe it down, and then it'll be brand new. Next up, we have it almost knocked down my water. Next up, we have the Business and Pleasure Company Cooler Bag. I cannot wait to use this bag for those picnic and beach days that I miss so much. I feel like you just look so put together if you walk up to a picnic with it, like, what's up? So I can just imagine showing up to my picnic and my friends can be like,
so, oh my gosh, where'd you get that? It's so cute.
And I'll say, well, it's the Business and Pleasure Company from my FabFitFun box. And they're gonna be like,
why are you here? We didn't invite you.
And I'll be like, wait, I thought we worked through this. And then she's gonna be like,
no, we're not friends anymore.
that got dark so quick. I feel like I could easily fit 4 bottles of wine in here, you know, for a bougie picnic. Not bougie, a boozy picnic. I would just love to fill this bag up with all of my favorite things, you know, like some chocolate covered strawberries, some sandwiches,
crackers, some cheese, some avocado chips.
Let's move on to the next one. I gotta grab it, but I think I can get it with my foot. One sec. Next up, we have the HydroPeptide Moisture Reset Face Oil. So this product is an antioxidant rich blend of 12 oils that will help protect your skin and lock in that moisture, and your skin will look so good, which is gonna support your skin's natural lipid barrier, which is just gonna really help lock that moisture in. It comes with a little dropper. That's so satisfying to watch, like, wow. Okay. It makes my skin feel so soft. Smelling this just reminds me of like a flower field of roses. In my ideal flower field, there would be obviously flowers all around me, dogs. There would be dogs there too. Don't tell my husband, but David Dobrik would have to be there too, feeding me the chocolate covered strawberries. I hope you didn't hear that. So now, we're jumping into the FFF throwbacks. So if you didn't have a chance to get them in another box, now it's your chance. Next up, we have the R+Co Television Perfect Shampoo and Conditioner. This is gonna be great for adding some body, some shine, some strength to your hair, because we all want that perfect hair day. So a great ingredient that this product has is glycerin, which is great at retaining moisture and protecting your hair. Another great ingredient in this product is juniper berry extract, which is great at maintaining a good oil balance. They're also vegan and cruelty-free. I'm personally a huge fan of this shampoo and conditioner because it smells so good. It's just like warm and clean, but also kind of tropical, so you feel like you're on the beach or you're at the beach, clean. And then the conditioner, this kind of smells romantic. I didn't know Romans had a smell, but it also has a hint of pineapple. Next up, we have the Mizrahi blue and white kimono. You know, you could wear this with jeans and a shirt. You could wear this with your favorite bathing suit. And it's so lightweight and just very breathable, you know? It's not gonna feel hot. It is one size fits most, so it's gonna fit on a variety of body types. We can all shine. Don't know why I feel like doing this when I'm wearing it, but it's just fun. And you know, actually, I think I remember seeing a girl at the FabFitFun summer house party wearing this as a skirt. And I also loved Why am I blanking on the word? What's this called? Fringe. This is called fringe. I love the fringe. So I am really upset that I don't get to go to Coachella this year because that was my dream and I was finally gonna get to go, but it's fine because now I will have this in October when I go to my festival and I can just fly around like the fairy that I think I am when I'm at festivals. So that is all for this customization category. Let me know what you're thinking in the comments below. Select members get to choose from May 2nd to May 5th, and seasonal members get to choose between May 15th and May 18th. And if you're not a FabFitFun member yet, sign up right now. Do it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next season. Bye!